Today I will explain to you your holiday tasks. First task about expanding brackets. How you can expand the brackets? Look here. First we need to multiply 2x by 3x, then 2x by 5, and we get 6x squared plus 10x. Variant B. Here we need to multiply 3x by 4x, then 3x by 7. When we multiply 3x by 4x, we get 12x squared. When we multiply 3x by 7, we get 21x. Then, variant C. We need to multiply 4x by 5x, then 4x by negative 11. And we get 20x squared minus 44x. Variant D. We need to multiply 10x by 10x, we get 100x squared minus 90x. Variant E. We multiply 3x by 7x, we get 42x squared plus, then we multiply 6x by 4, we get 24x. Variant F. We multiply 5x by 4x, then 5x by negative 9, and we get 20x squared minus 45x. Variant G. We need multiply 8x by x, then 8x by 5, and we get 8x squared plus 40x. Variant V. First we multiply 3 by 5x, 15x, 3 by 4, 12, plus 4x minus 8. Then we need to collect like terms. Here is like terms 15x and 4x. When we add 15x and 4x, we get 19x. Then 12 minus 8 gives us 4, and we get from here 19x plus 4. In this variant, we need to multiply 4 by 4, then 4 by negative x, and we get 16 minus 4x. Here we need to multiply 3 by 10, 30, minus 3 by 3x, 9x. 9 multiplied by 3, 27, minus 36x. Here we need to multiply x by 5, 5x, minus x squared. Here we multiply 4x by 10, 40x, minus 36x squared, because when we multiply 4x by 10 we get 40x, then 4x by 9x we get 36x squared. Variant M, we multiply 6 by 6, then 6 by 7x, we get 36 minus 42x. Variant M, we need multiply 2x by 11, we get 22x minus 8x squared. Variant W, here we multiply x by x, then x by 10, we get x squared plus 10x, then plus 2x multiplied by x gives us 2x squared, 2x multiplied by 2 gives us 4x, and then we need collect like terms. Here's like terms x squared and 2x squared. When we add these terms, we get 3x squared, and 10x plus 4x gives us 14x, and finally we get 3x squared plus 14x. In variant O, we need multiply 3 by 3x, then 3 by 5, and we get 9x plus 15. Here we need multiply 2x by x, then 2x by 1, 2x squared plus 2x. Here we multiply x by x, then x by 12, x squared plus 12x. Here we multiply 4x by 3x, we get 12x squared minus 40x. Here we multiply 5 by 9, we get 45. Then 5 by negative x, we get negative 5x. Here we multiply 8 by 8x, then 8 by 5, and we get 64x plus 40. But here First we need to multiply 2 by 3x, then 2 by 2, we get 6x plus 4, then 5 multiplied by 3x, 15x plus 5 by 1, 5. And then we need to collect like terms, we get 21x plus 9. Now let's solve the equations. First equation, y plus 6 equal to 20. We know inverse operation of addition, subtraction. That's why we need to subtract 6 from 20. Y equal to 20 minus 6 and y equal to 14. Variant B, x minus 10 gives us 12. Here is subtraction, and we know inverse operation of subtraction is addition. That's why we need add 12 and 10, and we get from here 22. Variant C, 12 plus z equal to 15. To find z, we need subtract 12 from 15. 15 minus 12 gives us 3. Z is 3. Variant D, 2 plus n gives us 16. For finding n, we need subtract 2 from 16. 16 minus 2 gives us 14. And here a plus 4 gives us 14. We know inverse operation of addition, subtraction. That's why we need subtract. And a equal to 14 minus 4, it gives us 10. Variant F, here's subtraction. Inverse operation of subtraction is addition. That's why we need add negative 10 and 5, and we get negative 5. In variant G, here's multiplication. 2x, 2 multiplied by x gives us 16. We know inverse operation of multiplication is division. That's why we need to divide 16 by 2, and we get 8 here. 3t equal to 15, and we need divide 15 by 3, and we get 5. Here's k divided by 2, and gives us 6. We know inverse operation of division is multiplication. That's why we need multiply 6 and 2, and it gives us 12. Here 3h equal to 27. Here we need divide each side by 3. When we divide each side by 3, we get 9. H is 9. Here we need multiply each side by 3. We get j equal to 12. In variant L, 9s equal to 81. We need divide each side by 9, and s is 9. We divide 81 by 9, and we get s equal to 9. Look these equations. 3y plus 6 equal to 12. First, we need subtract 6 from 12, because here is addition and we need subtract. And we get 3y equal to 6. Then we need divide each side by 3, and we get 2. Or we need divide 6 by 3, we get 2. Here, first we need find 3v, and here's addition. We need subtract 10 from 25, and we get 3v equal to 15, and v is 5. Here subtraction, we need add 5 and 22, and we get 3h equal to 27, and from here h is 9, because we divide 27 by 3 and we get 9. Variant P, 6 pi minus 10 gives us 26. First we need add 26 and 10, and we get 6p equal to 36. Then we need divide, for finding p, we need divide 36 by 6, and we get 6. Variant Q. Here first we need to add 41 and 40. We get 81. 9s 81. S is 9. Here we need subtract 2 from 11 because we know is addition, and inverse operation of addition is subtraction. That's why we subtract 2 from 11 and we get f divided by 3 gives us 9 and f is 27. Third task about adding and subtracting integers. Negative 2 plus 9 gives us 7. 6 plus negative 30 gives us negative 24. And negative 7 plus negative 5 gives us negative 12. Variant D. Negative 7 plus negative 5 gives us negative 12. Variant E. 14 plus negative 9 gives us 5. 16 plus negative 26 gives us negative 10. Negative 16 plus negative 4 gives us negative 20. And negative 3 minus negative 4. Two negatives gives us positive. And we can write negative 3 plus 4 and it gives us 1. Negative 5 minus 10 gives us negative 15. 6 plus negative 9 gives us negative 3. 9 minus 16 gives us negative 5. Sorry, negative 7. And negative 10 minus 6 gives us negative 16. Multiplication decimals. To multiply 6 and 0.3. First, we need multiply 6 and 3, then divide by 10. Why by 10? Because in this multiplication, totally we have one decimal number. That's why we divide this multiplication by 10 and we get, when we multiply 6 and 3, we get 18. Then 18 divided by 10 gives us 1.8. Here we multiply 7 by 14, then divide by 100. Why? In this multiplication, total we have two decimal numbers. That's why we divide this multiplication by 100. Look, when we multiply 7 by 14, we get 98. And then when we divide this number by 100, we move our decimal point 2 times to the left and we get 0.98. 3. First we need multiply 2 by 15, then divide by 10. Why? We have one decimal number, that's why. And we get 30 divided by 10, it gives us 3. 4. We need multiply 6 by 7, then divide by 10, because we have one decimal number, and we get 4.2, because 42 divided by 10 gives us 4.2. Here we multiply 0.05 by 164. First we multiply 5 by 164, then divide by how many decimal numbers? Two decimal numbers, by 100. When I multiply 5 and 164, I get from here 820. And when we divide 820 by 100, we need our place value point is here, and I need move our point 2 times to the left, 1 2 here, and I get 8.2. Here 0.025 multiplied by 78. First I need multiply 25 by 78, then divide by 1000. Why? Because we have 3 decimal numbers, that's why. First I need multiply 25 and 78. 8 times 5 gives us 40, 0 here and 4 in our mind. To multiply by 8 gives us 16, 4 in our mind, we get 20. Then 7 multiplied by 5, 35, 5 we write here, then 3 in our mind. To multiply by 7 gives us 14, 3 in our mind, 17. Then we need to add these numbers, we get 0, 5, 9, 1. 1950 divided by 1000, and we get from here 1.95. Here we multiply 6 by 0.01 and we multiply 6 by 1, then divide by 100, and we get 0.06. Here first we multiply 46 by 2, then divide by 10, and we get 92 divided by 10, 9.2. This one so easy. 4 multiplied by 0.9, it gives us 3.6. 11, 0.8 multiplied by 5, it gives us 4. Here first we need multiply 76 by 3, then divide by 100, and we get here 228 divided by 100, it gives us 2.28. When we multiply 8 by 1.3, it gives us what number? First we need to multiply 8 by 13, then divide by 10. Why? Because totally we have one decimal number, that's why we divide this multiplication by 10. And when we multiply 8 and 13, we get 104. Then when we divide this number by 10, we get 10.4. 6 multiplied by 2.14. First we multiply 6 by 214, then divide by 100. Why? Because totally we have two decimal numbers. Let me multiply this number. 6 times 4 gives us 24. 4 I write here and 2 in my mind. 6 times 1, 6. 2 in our mind, it gives us 8. Then 6 multiplied by 2 gives us 12. 1284 divided by 100, it gives us 12.84. Or we can write this multiplication how? You can multiply 214 by 6, you get 1284. How many decimal numbers here? 2. In your answer should be 2 decimal numbers also, and you put your decimal point here and you get 12.84. Then here 6.2 multiplied by 10. When we multiply number by 10, we need to move our decimal value point, place value point to the right side, and we get from here 62. Here we multiply 1.02 by 7. When we multiply 102 by 7, what we get? We get 714. Then we need to divide this number by 100, we get 7.14. Here we need multiply 6.8 by 6. First we need multiply 68 by 6, then divide by 10. 68 multiply by 6. First we multiply 6 by 8, we get 48. We write here 8, 4 in our mind. 6 by 6, 36, 4 in our mind, we get 40. And it gives us 408 divided by 10, 40.8. Other way, we can write, first we can multiply 68 by 6 and we get 408. Totally in our multiplication we have one decimal number. In answer we write one decimal number also, and we can put our place value point here and we get 40.8. Here we multiply 10.6 by 2, and what we get? We get 21.2. Why? When we multiply 106 by 2, we get 212. And how many decimal numbers here? 1. We need to put our place value point here. For multiplying 3.3 by 7, we multiply 36 by 7. And when we multiply 7 by 6, we get 42. 2 we write here, and 4 in our mind. 3 by 7, we get 21 plus 4 gives us 25. 252, one decimal number, and we can write 25.2.